didn't see it.
Oh my gosh, we've already got 4 gobblers. They're all around us. We got 2 in front of us and 2 behind us. We can actually see one up in the tree right now. We got our decoy spread out. Got the bows this morning. We'll switch this afternoon to the shotgun while we're stalking them, but we're going to try to get it done in the morning here with the bows. Gunner's behind the camera. I'm up to bat this morning. It should be a great morning. They're very talkative right now. We're talking to the one in front of us right now. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but stay tuned for a freaking awesome morning here in Michigan. Gage, they're right next to you, too. He's fired up. That's a beard dragger, dude. Yeah, we're getting fired. Where are they running off? I don't know. Wait, don't move. Just don't move. Oh, come on.
What's going on here? Well, we got 2 groups set up on one bird right now. Big old Tom, he's strutting out in the cornfield. We got my buddy Ryan and his dad Chad sitting over on the fence row. They got him worked up. He's running all the way across the field like crazy. So we decided to come over here and try to get a shot of it. And if he misses, we'll have Gage put one in him. But it's looking pretty good so far. I mean, he's over there. He's probably 30, 40 yards right now. I'm waiting to get a shot at him. So we'll see what happens. Let's get ready.
Can't see him.
Come here, come here.
I got him. Oh, shot it.
Smokey! Smokey! Smokey!
Got him. I got it.
Smokey!
Let's go.
Out of the shit.
Yep.
Oh, that's so
I got it.
Let's go.
Nice, dude.
Let's go, Ray.
1 bird down.
Big old bird, too. Let's go.
Awesome.
Straight up and down. I saw you. We got it on video.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yes, we did. Right on him.
He got up on top of the hill and he took off running.
Yeah.
And he come down here to the corner and I told Ryan to shoot him. Shoot him. He goes, I can't see him. I was like, well, he got down here. I said, well, make sure you can shoot out here. And I started calling. That son of a gun started running right towards us.
Yeah,
Wow. We saw him booking it across the field there, and we're like, man, why isn't he shooting yet? It's got to be a little too far.
I thought it was
And then
30 yards or
we
something.
see him get up and start coming over here.
He was actually probably closer to, I would say, probably 100 yards out there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because he come across and then he cut down the fence row.
Because he came
on our
right
side or on our side or
Yeah,
No, he was right on this side,
yeah.
right in the cornfield.
He was right
Where
on
were you
top
sitting?
of that bird.
I was sitting right there by that stump pile right there. He's a Tom. I mean, he's got a 10-inch beard on him.
Mm-hmm. That's beautiful.
That was sweet.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Let's go, buddy.
Sweet. Brian made a great shot on that bird. We loaded it up and went back to the house, dropped the bird off, got right back into the woods. We spotted some birds at 350 yards. Ryan's dad hit the call. Next thing I know, they're 50 yards on the hedgerow coming at us.
Missed him.
Right over his head.
He's right there.
Holy.
Dude, that's a 70-yard shot.
went right over his back.
That's sweet though.
Cause both of my buddies got birds. I had to change up my strategy. I headed to a different farm to sell film.
It's getting closer. It's getting closer. It's getting a lot closer right now.
That Tom gave me the slip. That's strike 2. I got one more day left to get it done. Hopefully I can get it done. We sat there a while not hearing anything. Around 6:25 I finally hit the call and they lit up. I looked over to Anna. I was like, they're coming in. They came over the hill and it was game on.
Babe, I got him. I got him. Go down, baby. Go down. Go down. Go down. He's down, babe. He's down. Let's go. Picture perfect morning.
Look, the birds are like,
Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't believe that happened, guys. I've been hunting so hard. So hard. I just shot that turkey at 30 yards. Center punched him. He didn't go 5 yards. And we were sitting not hearing anything. I was like, what's going on? So I hit a few clucks, and all of a sudden, a bunch of turkeys gobbled here in the bottom. I was like, okay. So I kept going back and forth with the hen in the group. And I guess there's 4 hens out here, 3 jakes and 1 tom. And they come right up the hill, just like what I wanted. I had my decoy spread out. I got 2 down here, a jake and a hen, and I got 2 up here, a jake and a hen. And they saw them and they came right in. And it was picture perfect. I mean, it's a beautiful morning.
I was talking back with the hen, and then they went silent. So I was like, oh, I think they're gonna come in right now. So we start getting ready to get the camera, and sure enough, they pop over the hill, and they're just on a beeline right for us. Come in, this guy came into 30 yards, and I center punched him. And you can see he didn't go anywhere. This is just a perfect morning. Oh, he's got a good beard on him. I think that's over 10 inches.
yeah.